welcome everybody, and this is gonna be a short one as it became out of range. Of course.
Our victory is in sight.
Yeah, but there's still so much ships. But I think we are going to win in a matter of time. If they are not shooting back at us. Well, this looks promising. Because I just got this. So this Congo is gonna be so dead. Oh, it's turning away. Oh, it died. It died. Oh, those shots are so good. And it died. Fine. So now the cruiser's turn. Even where's the aircraft carriers? I think they are there. Wait, out of range of mine. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's not gonna hit. It's gonna fire. Yeah, it's not gonna hit. It's hitting the islands. Shove shots off. I think we can do better. Did our team just shot our own team? Team shooting team, is it? Oh, it's in range. Come on, aim the guns, aim the guns. Oh damn! That's maximum though. Where are my shots? This stupid mountain! Oh, I just wasted that. I just wasted our air time and it's gone. Wasted. We seriously just wasted it. And this person is gonna be so dead. Just by knowing it. Got it. Eat that! 1 kill. 16 shots off, 1 kill. Defended base. Alright. But this episode is too short. Well, yeah, too short. Cool. Oh, battle. With our just done, we'll do a cope battle which is smaller. So I think we can finish this battle by 10 more minutes. Right. 10 minutes for one battle. That's the deal right now. So now the lag back is seriously just gone. Okay, this machine gun turret better be a real machine gun turret today. Haha. Right. So we have used the good battleship. After using that, then no more. We did not got Citadel shots though. But we have 1 kill, that's what matters. Come on. In 10 more minutes, can you finish this battle?
General quarters.
General Carlos, let's do this. I believe that this ship can move faster, fire faster, destroy things faster. That's my goal today, is get at least 100 shots off with this mighty ship, because we have punching bags, which is battleships, 2 of them. Right, so this looks promising. Well, if this really lag back, I don't care because it's a machine gun turret, so I can just adjust my range when I shoot. Okay, let's do this. I don't think destroyers stand even a single chance. Is that just done? Yeah. Hi. Shift. Oh shit. Forgot this. Tab. Alright. Here we go. Oh, we don't have the plane, so we cannot see. Yeah. That battleship is too powerful though, but it's weak against torpedoes. The torpedo defense is not good. Like if you couple torpedoes to the Citadel area, it's good die. Citadel, that means the middle section. And if you score a Citadel shot, it will do a lot of damage, of course. I saw something and I want it. Oh yes. Once I get the aim on it, it's dead, basically. Oh, I score one shot off and it's dead. What the heck? Oh, that one is alive. So that destroyer go die already. Oh, we have a punching bag around. So right. I think the AP rounds on this thing doesn't do a lot to battleships. And I want HE to set things on fire, so the battleship will have a hard time to deal with me. Before that, we got a thing to fire at. Right, it's a St. Louis. Nope, it's a Tingyu. Yeah. It's slowing down. Can I get a Citadel shot, please? Or I get a incapitation. It's torpedo running our ship, but it's about to die because my guns are pounding hard on it. Yeah, it's running away. Oh no, it's coming closer. Yeah, I killed it. Nope. Stay there. We got more to shoot. Alright, I'm gonna cap at this location. Well, there's an island. I'm gonna... no, the battleship... I think we get enough cover from that battleship. Okay. We got more shots. Okay, set on fire, but he repaired it. Right. But these guns are not the most accurate. Changing targets. Shoot them both. Okay, I want to shoot this just gun. No, I want to shoot this destroyer because I want to damage it. Damage it enough so that our battleship can survive, basically. We need that battleship, so you destroyer do not sink it. I'm pounding shots on it and it's so hard to hit it. Okay, this battleship is blocking. Bad news. Oh no, it stops blocking it, really. Okay, I start pounding shots on it, so it's gonna be having a terrible time. I better start moving because it's going to basically torpedo run me. Alright, I sink it. Right, next target to go with this thing. Okay, set on fire.
Taking the lead.
Alright, let's stop. The island, please stop me. Alright, get those kills and let's do this.
Our victory is in sight.
10 minutes. Well, we actually did quite well. It's lesser than 10 minutes and we will get like 3 kills out of this Drasdan. There's another Drasdan. There's the enemy Drasdan right there. Alright, Drasdan vs Drasdan. Who will win? He have the bot side on me, so that's a problem. Yeah, I need to turn. Bring all guns to bear on it. Oh, it's gonna die. It has no advantage because our teammates are there. Yeah, it has little advantage and R. Alright, it died. But I did not get that kill, so where's the last battleship? Okay, it's there. Okay, basically we need to sink this battleship. We have a battleship there, so that would be good. So we will do additional damage, set that battleship on fire. That would be always welcome. Damage its guns, set it on fire is always good to me. I'm having little letbacks, just a little bit. Well, because I'm not hitting that battleship, or maybe there's no, yeah, there's no letbacks. It's just my guns being stupid at hitting things. Oh, this battleship is totally getting pin cushion. Oh, it's turning. So I'm gonna aim my guns like that. So it's going. Oh, someone just get a Citadel shot or a very high powered shot. Yeah, it's dead. It's going to die. It's about dead. Okay, it's dead. So, short battle at the end, and oh, I did not make my mark. I said 100 shots off, but I get 87. But incapacitation, no, it's called incapacitations. I get 3 kills, not bad. 3 set on fire. So I did the most kills, but the Chikuma also did the most kills, but he have more XP, but I have less XP for some good reason. And yeah, but I do lots of damage. You can see the HE shells, I just do so much damage. The fire cost is not that good, but this one is a lot of damage. Aircraft destroyed none. Yeah, all this none. But you can see, scroll down, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many ships are in here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So only 1 ship I never shot at it once at all. But the others, except for that one, I got shot it a couple of times. Look at me. Yeah, so it's wonderful battle. So with this ship, it's a success. Okay, let's see the modules on this thing. Okay, we can actually mount this and research this next episode, I think. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next video.